It's 11:20 at night, and I just feel that I need to share this with someone. So it's the start of Lent, right? It's day one. And I gave up sweets, self-doubt, and sex. But being as I am very single and disengaged, and being as though my particular look doesn't sell around here, what I actually gave up was masturbation, which means now I can't even have sex with myself. I'm not gonna make it. You know why? Because already I am finding that myself is starting to feel very crank up for no reason. You see, yesterday my libido was fine. Everything was great. I could walk past people. I could walk past mannequins in the store window. I could listen to things on YouTube and it wouldn't make me horny. Right now at this point, I don't know what is not making me horny. I am listening to a song by The Dream. Do you know that the dream kind of look like a little garden gnome or like a troll or something like that? And the song is making me horny. Usually what I do is I think about how it is that the dream looks, and that would kill those feelings in me. But nothing is working. Stay one, you know? Stay one. And usually what I would do is I would quell these feelings with chocolate. But I can't do that because I gave up sweets. So now I'm beginning to doubt whether I'm actually going to be able to do this. So this is self-doubt. So here we are having just the biggest Lenten fail ever. Yeah. So I am just gonna start twitching soon and humping the wall. I don't know why it is that I gave up all three of these things. If anybody knows any place that I can just find mean and horrible things to look at with unattractive people doing them, so that there's no chance that the mean and horrible things can turn into some type of twisted S&M fantasy, then I would gladly accept it, because honestly, I don't think I hell. Why?